The safest way to turn off your T-Mobile 5G gateway router, like the Arcadian KVD21, KVD22, or VRV9500 series, is through the T-Mobile Internet app or the web interface. This prevents data corruption and potential hardware issues. Open the T-Mobile Internet app on iOS or Android. Find the device or gateway settings and select Power Off or Shutdown. Alternatively, go to 192.168.2.1 in a browser. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the router to completely shut down before unplugging if needed. Avoid simply unplugging the router, as this can cause firmware corruption, loss of settings, and potentially shorten the device's lifespan. Use app-controlled shutdowns over manual unplugging to comply with warranty terms and avoid voiding coverage. If you want to perform a hard reset, the physical button is still an option. Your T-Mobile 5G gateway is designed for continuous operation, powered by a standard DC adapter. Besides the recommended app web shutdown, a physical power button on the rear allows for hard resets. Rebooting via the app restarts the device without a full power off, which is different from the full shutdown option that halts all operations. Safe shutdowns are essential because routers store volatile data. Abrupt power loss can lead to boot loops or the need for factory resets. Experts recommend using the app for shutdowns to prevent electrical surges and potential damage. Future trends involve AI-driven power optimization and remote management by T-Mobile, aligning with energy-efficient designs and smart home integration.